Is there any knowledge here about how did the Efik get Ekpe?
As I said, in the course of interactions, the Efiks were visiting a food land very often because the Europeans decided to be dealing with the Efik merchants in order to get whatever they were getting from Cameroon, the coastal region of Cameroon. It is the Efik merchants who were coming to buy the rubber. In those days we had raw rubber which was coming from the forest, kernels, and a lot of those other things. And in the course of this interaction, they would always see the way the Balondos were dancing, and I'm sure that they admired the way they were dancing, and some of them decided to get initiated, and because they were considered to be very responsible people who were bringing exchanges of what was used then as currency. It is not what we are using now. It is what was used then as currency. So we are told that it is in the course of this exchange that they were able to go back with what they saw. And just as if you came here now as a guest, you could take time, having been so close to the people, you are initiated, you show interest in belonging, and the moment you are initiated, when you are going back where you came from, you are going with the knowledge of what you saw. It is believed that that is how they carried the Ekpe away from here.